I'll bet if you're watching this video, you have a pillow that you sleep on that smushes your face, or at least you feel like it is. And so I want to tell you about this really special pillow. I received it as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and show you how cool this is and how it works. I am going to show you down below here how it came out of the box. It does come all like flat and smushed and rolled up. And so then you just kind of cut it out of the package and let it expand, and then you can use it. Few things I want to tell you about this before I show you how it works is it's got this zipper here so you can pull the fabric off and wash it. Be sure when you wash it that you close the zipper, that you zip it up to just kind of protect it. And then when you're using this, you'll notice that one side, hopefully you can tell, these are thicker and longer than these. And so that means it'll go at the top. So the thicker, longer ones go up here and the shorter ones go here. So I am going to show you how to sleep on this pillow. It's so cool. I waited a few days to make sure that it expanded fully, but it didn't really expand much after that. And so this is so nice. It's got neck support, and watch this. It moves with me. It's very soft. It's very cushioned, and it's not smushing my face. I feel like I get wrinkles and it's not smushing my face. I am going to put the link in the description below so that you can go grab one of these for yourself. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, be sure to hit subscribe. And one more thing, I named this pillow Rocky. And if you can put in the comments why I named this pillow Rocky, I'll put your name in a drawing and we'll do a special shout out on one of our future videos.